Hi guys, Andy here. I've got today a Soundpeats D3 Bluetooth headset. I say it's a headset, it's actually like one of the little invisible earpiece type things. It's nicely packaged enough. We open up the first box though, and actually there's a second box. And in the second box is all the stuff that we need. So we just get that emptied out bit by bit. The earpiece, the charging cable, some other rubber tips for the earpiece. The cable's quite short, micro USB though, so you might not even need that cable. I assume you've probably got phone chargers that will do that. And then the earpiece itself, which seems quite a nice looking little gadget. It's a Soundpeats on the outside. There's a button on the top with a sort of a handset picture on it. And underneath that's the micro USB charging point. So I've used it for a little while, and I can tell you that the battery only lasts about 2.5 hours. I've run it through twice, 2.5 hours, but then to be fair, it's only a small little device. So I guess you can't expect too long from it. Maybe 2.5 hours is probably enough actually, generally. And then it's charged up easy enough using the micro USB connector. When you plug it in, you see there's a red light lights up. When it's fully charged, it turns blue. Honestly, I'm not sure how long it took to charge, but I don't think it was very long because obviously the battery is relatively small. To pair it up, you just hold the phone button down until it goes red and blue, and then sure enough, when you refresh on your phone's Bluetooth settings, you should see D3 as an option, and there we go. Simple as that. I then decided to change the ear tip bits. It doesn't feel like it's that secure in your ear, so I went for the biggest tip that there was. I've got quite big ears. And it did help, although it still doesn't feel that secure. It never fell out on me, other than the time that I was kind of drying my head off in the gym, rubbing my head around with a towel, and I rubbed over my ear, and it did make it fall out. But otherwise, I was working out in the gym, no problems, with it quite secure. The sound quality you get from it is not fantastic. You're not going to get anywhere near, a decent set of headphones, but it's enough if, for me, listening to my podcasts, you can hear it well enough. Making phone calls, again, you can hear well enough. And here's a sample of how the recording sounds through the earpiece. To give a comparison, this is the phone itself recording me. On the desk, I'm maybe 20 to 30 centimeters from it. And now I've switched over to the earpiece, talking at a fairly, I would say, normal level that I might if I was perhaps on the phone. So I'll give you, it doesn't sound fantastic, obviously compared to the mic that I'm using now, even compared to the mic in the phone, but it's enough. It suffices, and I just like how small and compact it is. It does feel a little bit loose, and the battery life is not amazing, but again, I think it's all sufficient for probably what you need. I mean, the 2.5 hours that I did was all solid streaming of music, so if you just had it in your ear and we could just be making calls now, then it'd probably get you through the day, I would imagine. So there we go, that's the Soundpeats D3 Bluetooth earpiece. It's $15.99 on Amazon with Amazon Prime. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. My name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon.